This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add birthdays in your Google Calendar. I'm going to jump over to my browser here. The first thing you need to do to add birthdays to your Google Calendar is add the person's birthday to your Google Contacts. I'm on the regular Google search page right here. I'm going to go up to the square dotted box up here in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to look for contacts within the apps here. It's right here. I'm going to select that. Now if you already have the person in your contacts, what you'll do is you'll select that person, then you will click on Edit, and then you will click on Show More. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Birthday. I'm going to click on that line there, and then I'm going to add the month of the person's birthday, slash, I'm going to put tomorrow's date, this is just a fictitious person, slash, and then the year. And then I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner here and click on Save. Now as you can see here, it's added the person's birthday. If the person is not already in your Google Contacts, what you'll do is you'll go up to Create Contact, select that, then click on Create a Contact again. Then you'll type the name, first name, last name, whatever relevant information you want to include, email address, phone number. To add their birthday, click on Show More. Go down to where you see it says Birthday. Click on Birthday. Add the month, slash, add the day. I'm going to put today's date, slash, and then the year. Then you'll click on Save. And now as you can see, it's added the person's birthday here. I'm going to go back up to the square dotted box, click on it. Then I will search for Calendar within the apps here. Calendar is right here. I'm going to select it. And as you can see right here, it says Jane Doe's birthday. That was one that I just added. And right here it says John Doe's birthday. Another thing you need to do is make sure that birthdays off to the left hand side in the pane off to the left here, you want to make sure that birthdays is selected, because if it's not selected, as you can see the two birthdays I just added are now gone. You want to make sure it's selected. And that's how you add birthdays in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.